This is a used 2010 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, electric trunk, command system, Bluetooth connectivity, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Reineke Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 12000 County Road 99, Findlay, Ohio 45840.